Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Stream King, LaDerrick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Listen, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay up to date, all right, when I drop some valuable information, okay? I'm the Multiple Stream King for a reason, all right? I'm always trying to show people how to make some extra money, how to bring in some extra revenue inside your home. All right, how to fire your boss if you choose to. All right, but definitely just how to make some extra money on the side, man, without it interfering with what you currently do. All right, so I talked to you all. Maybe it's been about 6 days now, okay? Because I talked to you all on the 1st. Today is September the 6th. All right, and I gave some information about how you can turn $5 into $500, okay? This promotion is going on until the 15th. All right, now I just want to show you all a little proof. This is part 2 of that video, just to show you all a little proof. Okay, they sent me an email. All right, and this is real simple, you all. Get busy, okay? Get busy. Follow the instructions. The instructions are going to be below. Anytime I'm doing this video, if you're ready to get started, go ahead and click on the link below. Follow the instructions below. All right, you can go ahead and get started and get set up. All right, $5. That's it. Okay. So I just want to show you all an email that they sent me. Okay, I'm gonna show you all an email that they sent me. To definitely kind of get you some more inspired. Like I say, just some more proof. Let you all know that this is 100% real. Okay. Give me just a second. It tends to lag a little bit when anytime I'm doing a video. It tends to lag a little bit. So bear with me. I want to show you all real quick. Okay. This is what they sent me. This is from Acorns. Okay. This company has been around for years now. All right. Definitely credible. They've already made millions of dollars. I've already issued out millions of dollars. So I want to show you all, this email. Okay, this simple. $5 for just referring a friend. Remember, for each friend you get $5. Okay. Everybody saying, I thought you said you only get $500. Okay, let me show you something. I'm sorry. People saying I thought you get $500, not 5. Okay, so look. I know that's what you want to know. All right. Here we are. This promotion is only going on until the 15th, which is why you have to take action. Refer 7 friends for $500. Okay, so you're going to notice as you're referring people, it's going to show you that you made 5, you made 5, you made 5, you made 5. But once you get 7 friends in, refer 7 friends, you receive $500. 9/1/18 to 9/15/18. Okay, help 7 friends grow into fall by joining Acorns, and we'll invest $500 into your Acorns account. $500. You can withdraw it at any time. Okay. Friends must sign up on or after 9/1 and have an account in good standing and make their first investment by 9/15. Bonuses are paid out by 10/15. Referrals who close their account before 10/15 or make an investment that results in a chargeback will not qualify for the promotion. All right, this is 100% legit. You can't play around with this company and think you're just gonna, put your $5 in, try here and make your money, get out. No, okay. It's $5. Okay, it's $5. So don't play around with it, man. Follow the instructions. It's super simple to do. Okay, go get your go get your 7 friends. All right, they got $5 and tell them I can make a quick $500 by you helping me. All right, by you just investing $5. Okay, and with you investing that $5, I can show you how you can make an extra $500. Okay, but you all should have 7 friends who got $5. If not, you need to change your circle of influence. Okay, look. It's as simple as this. So there's 2 ways that you can go about it. Well, 3 ways. The first way is, like I said, go reach out to some family and friends, man. Say, hey, I got a way we can make a quick $500, man. This promotion ends September the 15th, which is the last day. So we got to act now. All right, that's one way. Talk to family and friends. $5. Put the bank account in. Follow the instructions. Boom, you set up and ready to go. All right, quick $500. All right, get your 14 friends. That's a quick $1,000. Okay, but look, that's one way. Another way. All right, I tell people all the time is I like to post on Facebook using these background images. Okay, so you can post one. Yeah, let's just post this one. Okay. I put one up before. You can go back and look at that video. This is another way you can do it. Who is interested in making a quick $500. All you need is $5. Literally. No games, no gimmicks. Comment 5 below. Done. All right, that's one way. Or if you like me, okay, that's one way that I do. All right, but I have evolved. All right, and so what you see right here, videos. Okay, let me show you something. I have an itinerary full of videos. Like when I say my archive is full of videos, I love videos. As you can see, this one was a live video. This is just a video I shared from my Snapchat. Me just having a good time. All right, but and matter of fact, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see, you know, what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, man, and you also can, you know, learn how to market the same way. All right, leave this page. Okay, let me show you something real quick, and then you all can get busy. Okay, some people have already gotten busy. I have several people that have already gotten busy. So, and I'm just talking about from my previous YouTube video. So, act now. Act now. You've seen the email. All right, 15th will be the last day. So act now. But look at this. It might take a minute to load because I have so many videos. Video content is king. Okay, you can shoot you a video real quick, real fast. All right, I got some videos that's super long, 1 minute, 4 minutes, 1 minute, and that was actually sharing someone else's video. 13 minutes, 9 minutes, 53 minutes. Okay, 25 minutes, 14. This is the science behind really getting your information out there. All right, if you want people to take you serious, get behind the camera. All right, shoot a video real quick and just say, hey, you can use the same thing. Who's interested in making an extra $500 with only $5? And you can explain it to them in the video so people can take you serious. This is 100% legit. Listen, follow these instructions. I'll have the instructions beneath this video, or you can just inbox me. You can go ahead and have the same message you see below. You can copy and paste that. All right, but put your link on there. Okay, so you copy and paste what you see below. I'm giving you the instructions below this video, right in the description. You sign up with your $5, and then you get to work, and you take that same message, use my same copy and paste script, all right, which is the instructions, replace my link with yours, and you're good to go. It's really, really, really that simple. Okay, so guys, if you got any questions or concerns, man, listen, my email is below, but this is self-explanatory. Okay, and then you can take this money and really invest in a real business. All right, I have several, all right, that I'm involved in. All right, and you can actually just subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the videos and see what I have going on. Okay, for the most part, man, I'm about to get back to the money. I don't know about you all, but don't wait. Let me show you again. 9-1 to 9-15. Okay, help 7 friends grow into fall by joining Acorns, and we'll invest 500 big ones into your Acorns account. Enough said. Drop mic. Get to work now.